Welcome back everyone. Today I've got a really easy and quick dessert inspired by the minimalist dessert trend going around. You don't need much to make a really impactful dessert. We're going to be making a pear and chocolate mousse cake. To get started, line a small 6 to 8 inch cake tin with baking paper. Then melt 1 teaspoon of butter or coconut oil in a heavy based medium saucepan and add your chopped pears. You'll need 500 grams, which should be around 3 to 4 pears. Now add 1 teaspoon of finely chopped fresh ginger and toss together to combine. Place the lid on and simmer at a low heat until slightly caramelized. This should take around 15 minutes, stirring every few minutes to avoid burning. When the pears are soft, add 300 grams of chopped dark chocolate. Stir with a spatula until melted. Now pour the hot mixture straight into the Vibe Blender's stainless steel jug. Secure the lid and select soup mode. Blend for 30 seconds or until silky smooth. Pour the mix straight into your prepared tin and use a spatula to get all of the mixture from under the blades and the sides of the jug. Give the tin a tap on the bench to release air pockets and to settle into shape. Let it cool before placing it in the fridge for 4 hours or overnight to set. Once it's set, lift it out of the tin and gently pull the baking paper away from the sides. You can serve it plain or with some fresh fruit, coulis, or whipped cream. For more great recipes like this one, head to our website and check out our blog. If you haven't already, then hit subscribe to see more of our Luvele life recipe videos. And if you enjoyed this one today, then give it a like for us. We'll be back very soon with another great recipe.